my name is Courtney Villapando. I'm the founder of CVilla Design, a premium brand and web design studio dedicated to empowering fearless female founders to show up with confidence and clarity in their brand with bold, strategy-backed designs. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through one of my Wix Studio website templates designed specifically for female business coaches, stylists, photographers, or other creative service providers who are ready to launch fast, look high-end, and have a website that finally matches their brilliance. In this tutorial, I'm going to be walking you through how you can download and use your Wix Studio template. Let's dive in.
So if you're at Wix.com, make sure you go to Wix Studio. If you don't already have an account, you can hit Start Creating and you can create an account. Or if you already have an account, you can log in. Or if you purchased a Wix Studio template through me, you'll receive a PDF that looks like this. And this PDF is just a quick start guide that'll help you understand how to access the template, how to download it, how to upload it into your account. It has some helpful tutorials as well directly from Wix that'll just help you understand how to use Wix better. And also it'll link you to this YouTube channel as well with my tutorials. So to get started, you'll want to click on the template file, whatever your template name is, and it'll open up a page that looks like this. You're going to want to hit download, and once that file is downloaded, you can open it, unzip the file, open the file, and hit use this template. So if you're not already logged in, it'll prompt you to log in. If you're already logged in, it'll pop up a different screen. So we'll just go ahead and log in, and then it'll show you that this is the template you purchased. So you'll want to make sure you click this button that just acknowledges that you agree to Wix Marketplace Terms of Use. Click the button and hit Add Site, and that'll just take a few seconds to load. So once you hit the button, you can go to Sites, and it may take a minute for your template to show up, but once it's here, you'll see it says From Template, and you can just hit Edit Site, and it'll take a few minutes for it to load. And once it's loaded, you have your template here. And one thing that I do suggest is that you make a copy of your template. It's always a good idea just in case you start editing and you've gone too far and you want to know what the original looked like, you can always go back. So the way to do that is if you hit this button here, go to Dashboard, and from your dashboard you'll see these three dots. Click that button and hit Duplicate Site. And then you can just go ahead and hit the button and it'll make a copy just in case you need to go back or you want to redo something. You'll have a copy just in case. So that concludes this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we'll be going over how to edit your text and colors.
Thank you so much for watching. If this tutorial helped you feel more confident about how you can update and use your Wix Studio website template, don't forget to give it a like. You can also subscribe for more branding tips and website tutorials made for bold creatives just like you. You can shop all of my Wix Studio templates in the link below at my website, CVillaDesign.com. And if you need help customizing your template or you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. There's also an option on my website for me to help you customize your Wix Studio template. Thanks again.